Hello, welcome to Mission Four Walls. Today I'm going to share with you how I post an essay assignment. First I'm going to go to classwork, create assignment. Okay, now I'm going to name my assignment here, give instructions. Okay, so I've put in this title and some general instructions, and my detailed instructions I'm going to add here. I can also create a rubric and go with the generated one, but I want to use a document on my computer, so I'm going to click File. Okay, so here's my file that's on my computer. Click Open and Upload. Okay, so now they can access it here. And I want it to go to all students, 100 points, due date, be in a few days. Okay, I can put a time. I'm just going to leave it like that. Keep it simple. And that's all I need. I have the option to either schedule it so they don't see it until the scheduled time, or I can assign now. I'm going to assign now. Okay, and there it is. Write your resume. So I can see my assignment here, and if I need to view it, I can view it or edit. Okay, so right here, I can delete it if I change my mind about it, or I can edit it. And if I go to another classroom, I can actually copy this assignment. I'll show you that in a second. So now I'm in my practice class. I'm going to go to classwork, create, reuse posts. Now remember, I just created an assignment in another Google Classroom, and I want it included in this classroom as well. So I'm going to select Technical Language Arts and the specific assignment that I used. I'm going to click Reuse. And now there it is, and I can make adjustments and edit if I want to do anything differently. And if I like what I see, I can just click Assign whenever I'm ready. And now it's assigned. That's all there is to it. I hope this helped, and if you'd like to see more tutorials, check my playlist. I'll have plenty up there.